Hello all, welcome to my channel. I'm Rajiv Pujala. In this video, let's talk about the clean function and the trim function, and I'm going to club both of these function into one function. So why exactly we have to use the trimming function? So whenever you have extra spaces or whenever you have leading spaces or trailing spaces, you have to use the trim function. And what does the clean does? So basically, if you have any characters where it can't be print, so basically, if you use a clean, it deletes those characters. Let's quickly deep dive into the spreadsheet and let's see how it can be, how it is useful in the real world. So let's go into the Excel sheet and let's say that we have a data. So for example, let's say names. Okay. So for example, let's say Rajiv, Pujala. For example, let's say there is a trailing space, Mahesh, Chavardam, and let's say there is Sai Chaganti. Okay, space. Okay. Now for these are the names. Just assume that you have got in your project. And now because there is a space over here. So for example, if there is another cell, it has like Raju Pujala without any double spaces. You can see there's a double space here. Okay, so if you try to match this one and this one, for example, let's say this one is equal to this one, it is false. But when you delete the value, the extra character over here, it is true. So you have to be very careful when you get a data set which you are not sure. And for example, let's say that we have like some 100,000 rows, and in those cases, it's not intuitive like to manually do the control F and replace and all, right? So rather than that, what we can do here, so we can use the clean trim function. So for example, I'm going to do the length over here. Okay, raw before applying formula, before applying trim formula. Let's say here is equal to length of this one. Okay, let's see the length. Okay, so this is the length, which is cool. Okay, now this is before applying the formula. Now here, after applying trim formula, let's see the value over here. Okay, so now how we can do is equal to clean off. So ideally you can use the trim, but I always prefer to do both clean and trim at one go. Is equal to clean off, trim off. Okay, this value, just close this one. Okay, you can do this one, and also if you would like to add if error, you can add that as well over here. So fine, that's it. So this is fine. Now we don't have any spaces over here. How we can identify? Now let's do this one again. Is equal to length of, this is for the new ones, after applying formula. Okay, let's see 12. You can see it over there. So before applying the formula, it is 13, and after applying, for example, let's take joy, and we has no special characters. Let's see, both are same. So when we look at this one, okay, there are no special characters. When we have look at this one, oh, there are special characters. So this is how you can eliminate the double spaces or the trial spaces, so that whenever you're performing a VLOOKUP or a comparison or something, so you eventually end with 100% accuracy. Thank you for watching this video.